for a crunchy snack but not deep fried? Try these simple potato patties, also known as hash browns. They are perfectly crispy outside, soft inside, absolutely delicious. No more boring snacks, just dip them in a ketchup and enjoy every single bite. If you are new to this channel, please do subscribe and support the channel. Let's get started. Here I have taken 5 large potatoes, peel the skin and grate them using a grater. To take off the starch from the potato, add some water and rinse it nicely. Use the strainer and squeeze the excess water. You will end up with the flaky potatoes just like this. Put this in a wide bowl. Next, I am adding about 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, 1 tablespoon of cornstarch, dried parsley flakes. Next, I am adding 1 whole egg. Add salt as per your taste. After adding salt, you need to be very quick because salt releases moisture, so it will become soggy. So you need to be very quick. Combine it nicely. Our potato mixture is ready. Make a small patties like this. Let's take it straight to the hot pan. The pan is nice and hot. I have put about 2 tablespoons of oil. Place them carefully. Cook it evenly on both the sides. Before you flip them, drizzle some oil on the top. Look at that beautiful golden color. That is because of egg. It gives a beautiful texture to the patties. That's it. We are almost done. Let's do a nice plating. Look at our beautiful potato patties. Crispy outside, soft inside. Sprinkle some parsley flakes to make it look even more pretty. Serve it hot and enjoy with tomato ketchup. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.